Xiaomi 17T versus Xiaomi 17T Pro. The Xiaomi 17 wins this round with a slimmer profile compared to the Pro model. The standard Xiaomi 17 is significantly lighter and more comfortable to hold than the Pro version. Both Xiaomi smartphones providing vibrant color and matching quality for an absolute tie. Both devices support for HDR, ensuring an equally great high dynamic range viewing experience on both screens. The Xiaomi 17T Pro offers a smoother visual experience, beating on the base model. Both phones are evenly matched here, lasting a massive fixed brightness of 3500 nits for excellent outdoor visibility. The standard 17T takes the point with a sharper text and image clarity versus on the Pro version. The Pro series utilizes its front space better, offering a higher and more immersive. For crisper visual, the 17T Pro wins with a higher resolution offered on the standard. The Xiaomi 17T Pro provides a larger viewing compared to the smaller 17T screen. Both smartphones offer identical durability against drop and scratcher using the rugged Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. The Pro model delivers faster processing capability with a 4.21 GHz clock speed, beating the 3.4 GHz. Xiaomi 17T Pro boasts superior architecture with the Dimensity 9100 chip, defeating Dimensity 8500 Ultra. Graphics rendering is much stronger on the Pro version Mali G1 Ultra compared to the Mali G720 on the base model. The smartphone on the right delivers much more aggressive performance, making it the better choice for high-end gaming. Software longevity is equal, as both devices run the latest Android 16 with Xiaomi custom HyperOS 3 interface. The 17T Pro gives you power longer with a massive 7000 mAh cell, beating the already large 6500 mAh battery. Choose up your phone much faster on the Pro variant thanks to its blazing fast 100W charging versus the 67W. Storage expansion is a tie, as both models offer no microSD slot, relying purely on internal storage space. Data transfer speeds are identical on both phones, utilizing the ultra-fast 4.1 storage standard for quick loading. Multitasking is equally smooth and seamless across both systems, with both units equipped with 12 GB of RAM. The Pro model offers double the storage capacity with a massive 1 TB space, over the 512 GB on the standard version. Camera hardware is perfectly equal, boasting a 50MP f1.7 wide, 12MP f2.2 ultra wide, 50MP Paris 5x2. The 17T Pro wins for videography, supporting crisp 8K at 30 FPS recording over the 4K at 60 FPS limit on the standard. Front camera photography is a tie, with both devices carrying an identical 32MP f2.2 sensor for crisp selfie. Self-recording capabilities are perfectly matched, with both front cameras maxing out at a sharp 4K at 30 FPS. Both Xiaomi devices are exceptionally well protected against water and dust, sharing the same rugged IP68 rating. Wired headphone users will not die, as both smartphones feature no 3.5mm jack, requiring Type-C for wireless. While connectivity speeds are identical across the board, with both phones equipped with standard Type-C 2.0. Audio output is balanced between the two, as both models are equipped with immersive, dual stereo speakers. Wireless peripheral connectivity is perfectly matched, with both devices featuring the modern 6.0 standard. Contactless payments and pairing are equally supported on both sides, with both units offering yes not all NFC. Biometric security is identical, utilizing a fast and modern in-display sensor hidden right beneath the screen. Cellular versatility is a complete tie, as both phones support a flexible two-SIM eSIM configuration. The Pro variant wins the future-proofing round by supporting faster Wi-Fi 7 network over the standard Wi-Fi 6E. If you are looking for better value for your money, the device on the left is the more affordable and wallet-friendly option. The final score crowns the Xiaomi 17T Pro as the ultimate winner with 30 points, defeating the best version 20 points. Buy the standard 17 to save money, or choose the Pro model for ultimate performance and a much larger battery.